Hi everybody, hope you're all well. I've got Greek yoghurt. I think this is probably better Greek yoghurt than the other Greek yoghurt I had the last time I tried this particular recipe, because that was from a different supermarket. Just because it was there, I was in the place. This is Lidl's creamy Greek yoghurt, and apparently with this recipe it has to be Greek yoghurt. It could be low fat or no fat as long as it's Greek yoghurt, because apparently it's to do with the thickness. That's what the recipe says anyway. So I've taken out a portion of this and put it in a little bowl. So that's the Greek yogurt I'm using. So self-raising flour and Greek yogurt, that's the two main ingredients. But I did get hold of some poppy seeds because I really love the look of the mixture of sesame seeds and poppy seeds on the top. And really, in this case, it's 5 ingredients, because you've got the egg for the top. You know, when you're beating it to do and to sprinkle on, so it looks good. So, and a few of you did say when I did the dinner rolls, try doing, do a bagel, and you gave me really lovely instructions, and they were on the button. So that's exactly what I'm doing now, as you well know, because you would have read the title. So yeah, I mean, come and have a look at the ingredients, although they're there, and they're very basic, but that's okay. I quite like that. And there will be a cost breakdown at the end. The recipe will be pinned in the comments and in the description as well. Come and have a look at the ingredients. Well, it's, as I said, Greek yogurt. This stuff, pretty good, really thick, absolutely lovely. The self-raising flour, and I've got some sesame seeds, poppy seeds, and an egg to brush on the top. So we're gonna, I have got an extra bowl, because the likelihood is this is going to be very sticky dough. So I've just set aside a bowl of self-raising flour if I need it. And also I'm going to be wanting to cover the surface when I roll out the sausage shapes to turn into bagels. I mean, hopefully this goes well. So let's get started and make some bagels for breakfast. That would be fantastic. See you in a bit. I'm just going to pop the self-raising flour into the bigger bowl, and then the yogurt. So simple, this recipe, it's unbelievable. I mean, if you fancied, you don't have to stick with this. You could add a bit of salt and pepper. Oh, I mean, chives would be really lovely. Cut up chives. Wouldn't mind trying that when my garden chives kind of revitalises, because it's a little bit bedraggled at the moment. And just start mixing. I will be back. It feels very light, I have to say, really light and fluffy. Put that up. Right, 4 bagels. Not bad, not bad. Been lovely for a breakfast. Very quick, really, if you're not vlogging, because that's the thing that takes time. So I'm going to get these in, 2 in a Ninja, 2 in the COSORI, just to see the results. Obviously, if I wasn't doing this on the vlog or the channel, I would just stick it in one air fryer. So if anyone says, oh, why don't you just stick it in one, it's just because I want to see the results for those 2 air fryers for the channel. So I'm going to get them in their respective air fryers, brush some beaten egg. It's just the egg yolk in this case, just to kind of get it as golden, and then sprinkle with the poppy seeds and the sesame seeds, and then we're going to bake. So that yeah, let's get started and get cracking doing that. See you in a bit. So I've already egg washed, so I'm just going to sprinkle on the sesame seeds. I mean, it just transforms it, doesn't it? It makes them, oh, I mean, looks fantastic. I really like that. You probably can see, what I did was I floured the surface before I kind of put them in, because I'm just trying that out to see if that helps. So there's air circulation and hopefully they won't stick. We will find out in due course. So it's going to be bake at 180, I think that's 350 Fahrenheit, for 10 minutes, but I'll probably need to add minutes to this, so I do not know, so we'll see. So that's going to get it started. So now the Ninja, same thing, exactly same thing. I've floured the surface. I've already egg washed. Just saves time. I mean, you don't need to see me egg washing, everybody knows what that involves. Excuse me, got to keep the camera still. It's quite difficult doing this one-handed, but hey ho. Oh, these poppy seeds are fantastic. I didn't get the poppy seeds from Lidl, they don't sell them. I've been meaning to pop into a bigger supermarket, not Lidl, you know, like Sainsbury's or Asda, and I happened to be in Sainsbury's and ran to the poppy seed section so I could do this. No, they look great. I really love that. Right, exact same thing. Drawer 2 though, or whichever drawer you happen to put yours in. Bake 180, 350 Fahrenheit, 10 minutes. Again, I'll very likely need to add, but we'll see. See you in a bit. It's about to end, so let's have a quick peek. Oh, wow. Oh my god, they look absolutely fantastic. Right, I'm not sure if I need to flip them. I'm really impressed. Have they stuck? No. Oh, and do you know what? I actually think they've got a bit bigger, because the holes have got smaller. Oh, I do think maybe a little bit longer though, because look, like there. I will just turn them. I'm really impressed. I'm really impressed that they've not stuck for starters, and they look fantastic. But I will add some minutes. Oops, I'm just adding 3 minutes. See how that goes. It will be the wrong drawer nearly. Well, that definitely doesn't need adding minutes, not for the tops anyway. These are hot, so oh, hold on. Seems hotter. It's obviously, the Ninja is a smaller basket, so it is more intense than the COSORI. The floured surface worked there for this, I think. That's actually, it's stuck a little bit, but nothing disastrous. Pretty good underneath actually. And this is why not lining it with parchment paper actually really helps, because of the air circulation. I do like lining it with parchment paper, don't get me wrong, but this, in this case, flouring the crisper plate, which I've never done before, actually works. And these have got bigger. In fact, this is a better result than the dinner rolls, because they didn't increase in size, and that might come down to the type of yogurt I was using. It said Greek style. It was £1 for however many meals, can't remember, just a normal sized yogurt pot, whereas the one I've got from Lidl is a bit bigger. I think the Greek yogurt really does actually make the type of Greek yogurt. This doesn't need any extra. I don't know. I don't want to be too manhandly. Let's do the underside for a few more. 3 minutes. Oops, sorry if you can't see. Oops. 3 more minutes flipped for the Ninja one. I haven't flipped the COSORI one though. Still got 2 minutes to go, so I'll see you in a bit. Okay, the COSORI one's ended. I'm definitely going to get these out. These look fantastic. Can't tell you how pleased I am. They've definitely got bigger. This is breakfast bagels. How fab is that? Really nice. I'm going to let them cool completely. I've still got a minute to go on the Ninja, so I will give that a quick check because but they've been flipped. So let's have a little look. Do you know what? I think maybe the 2 minutes. It's really difficult to say, but the proof will be in the, what do you call it, when I cut them open. So yeah, let's get these out. They do look darker, but they look absolutely fantastic. I'm very pleased. I mean, look at that. How fab. Right, let's get these out, let these cool, and then I'll be back for a taste test. I haven't done a closer look for ages, so I might well do that before I get into the taste test. So I will see you in a bit. They're still a little bit warm, but that's okay, I think, I hope. Let's see what it's like inside. Wow. Oh my God, that's really fantastic. Oh yes. Well, I'm gonna taste test the one with the poppy seeds. I do have some butter that I've just, I mean, this is actual butter, so I'm gonna sort of put it on and hope, you know, let it will melt from the warmth because it's quite cold. The butter's not spreadable. Breakfast bagels. This is lovely, really is. Okay, the bagel side. Just for, I really want to taste the flavour. Oh, it tastes really lovely. Oh, it's kind of a creaminess. There is a creaminess to the bread itself, but the bagel. I'm blown away. I really am. I'm absolutely blown away. This is literally my breakfast. I will make these again 100%. In fact, I might make some for Christmas morning. You know, we do normally like to have croissants. That's just a tradition for us. You know, it used to be a proper breakfast, but then we realised it was too close to the actual dinner, and the young ones were too full, so it has to be relatively light. But this wouldn't be too bad, freshly made as well in the morning. I mean, I don't know how these would keep. That would be an interesting factor. But they probably would toast really well the next day. Oh, right. Oh, thanks everyone for watching. I'm going to crack on and enjoy my breakfast, and everyone else in the family, they're going to get a bagel. I don't think they were expecting this because it is Sunday morning for a Monday vlog.
You know what it's like pre-Christmas, things can get a bit busy and hectic, but it's well worth it. And it didn't actually take that long in terms of preparation, and then bung it 10 minutes cooking with a couple of minutes added. Brilliant. And flouring this crisper plates really worked. So I think it was Queenie, you said flour your parchment paper, but this brilliant idea, and it applies to the crisper plates. So thank you for that. Right, thanks everyone, take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Oh, grab another bite. Oh, flip's sake. Right, come on. What's the time? Don't say good morning. It's the morning, but you know, on a Sunday. Okay. The dinner rolls, they were lovely and soft inside, but you can make the same ingredients using the same. Hold on, blah blah blah. Hold on, let me get the actual yoghurt. Right, start again, for flip's sake. Have a slurp. Everything gets better when you have some coffee. Hi everybody, hope you're all well. I fancy trying that 2 ingredients, oh for God's sake. What am I mean? Right, start again. See you in a bit after you come and have a look at the, oh my God. Yeah.